When we cast our kids as victims, it's just a natural human yearning to want to save. And so my point is that there's a message for both sides of this equation. Those of us who are pointing out and calling out racism and calling out bias and calling out disproportionate data that works against marginalized groups in education, we've got to be careful to advocate while not casting them as a victim, because that's the dangerous part. That's the part where we get into trouble, when we cast them as victims, because when they're victims, we naturally want to save. And then once we start saving, we go from a calling, which education is, right, our profession, to charity work. And that's not going to get us where we need to go.